the small Škoda Elroq. Same platform as the EV3 and Cupra Born. And yeah, in classic Škoda way, this is like very practical vehicle, and actually it's as wide as the Škoda Enyaq, and you can really tell that definitely feels bigger than the Cupra Born and the EV3. But yeah, I have a decent amount of legroom. Yeah, I can't complain. I'm sitting behind myself and my seat is in the POV filming position, which means that it's further than usual from the steering wheel. And I'm 186 centimeters tall. But yeah, the blinds are optional. This one doesn't have them. We have 2 pockets here for each front seat and additional smaller ones for your smart things. Then you also have the climate unit, and we also have the heated seats in the rear, which is pretty cool for this class. Very high quality armrest. Yeah, and it's definitely better than it was in the Kodiaq, that's for sure. That said, Kodiaq at this 40-20-40 fold situation. This one has only the regular one, the 20-80. But we have the ski hatch. Yeah, and I really love those red accent seat belts. Quite high quality materials. We have like deviated stitching and the Isofix anchor points, which are covered. And yeah, we also have the Isofix in the front passenger seat. Really good. Okay, let's check out the cargo area. As usual, there are many ways to open the tailgate. There's a button in the interior. Yeah, then I can press this button here. It both opens and closes the tailgate. And I can press this button here. Classic stuff. And I also have this leg gesture stuff. And for this one, it's like really accurate. Works really well. So yeah, we got 2 lights. One is here, other one is there. This is as practical as the Kodiaq's cargo area, or even better. It's smaller, but you have like so many stuff. You have this carrier here. You can adjust it as you want. You have those. Kodiaq also had those. This one has the optional tow hook. This is like half automatic. Don't need it at the moment. Oh yeah, and this is really cool. Elroq doesn't have the trunk, so Škoda had this simply clever idea that they have this netting under the cargo cover. And yeah, you have some nets, some hooks, you name it. The strap here. Yeah, additional storage here and there. And there's also a really tiny room under here also. I think we have the tire sealant kit here. But yeah, let's move on. Yeah, inside it feels like a little bit smaller brother of the Enyaq. Yeah, a lot of people compare the Elroq to the Kia EV3, and I'm actually struggling. I don't want to be in this position to choose between those two, because those are really excellent vehicles. I love the roominess of the Elroq a little bit more. It feels like really roomy, and I can tell that it's really wide. But I'm not a fan of this small screen. I mean, it definitely gets the job done, but I'm like used to this tech, and we have this really large screen which works really well, but it's really difficult to decide. I really love the design of this Elroq more than the Kia EV3s, but tech-wise, EV3 is a little bit better. So yeah, there are many ways to start up the vehicle. You can press this button, you know the way Škoda has it on the steering column, but I can just press the brake and the gear selector turns on. This Elroq doesn't have this new style column here that all other new Škodas have. And those stalks here are also like a little bit older, but I don't know, they work. I like the look of the older ones better anyways. But yeah, I'm a little bit in a hurry, so I think we have to go now. Let's put it to drive and let's roll. Turning circles supposed to be good. Oh yeah, it's really good. Yeah. Gotta love the rear wheel drive. It's really practical. So yeah, let's wrap up the Curvy Roads, the spirited driving part. Well, yeah, this is very, very enjoyable. Only downside, it doesn't have engine sound. Otherwise, it would be near perfect. Yeah, the handling, I don't know, it's spot on. Very direct steering, quick steering rack. Maybe there is some feel missing, but yeah, overall, gotta love those rear wheel drive electric vehicles. Yeah, I don't know, no body roll, just like really, really enjoyable car to drive, as the ID3 and Cupra Born are. And this one is a little bit higher, but it don't change a thing. Alright, let's do a quick acceleration test. Let's put it to the sport mode, of course, and hit. Yeah, it moves, it definitely moves. It has been a while since I last drove the EV, and I have to say I'm a little bit embarrassed, but I actually enjoy it. I've been driving it around the city a lot, but yeah, well, at least as far as it's the demonstrator and I don't have to deal with charging, etc., then yeah, I can enjoy it. Alright, let's do another acceleration test. Let's put it to the sport mode and hit it. Yeah, it doesn't hit you in the back, but it's definitely quick. It's definitely quicker than it needs to be. That's for sure. The initial bite is very, very strong. And the tires are really grippy. The traction control light didn't come on once. Yeah, I have to say, driving wise, there's this regular D mode. You can put it to D. And there's B, which means like regenerative braking, which is really good on the curvy roads, and you know, I like it. And the good thing is that I can still use the adaptive cruise. Some cars won't allow it. Some cars won't allow to use the B function or the B gear and ACC. God damn, this vehicle is so fun to drive. It's really, really enjoyable. Yeah, the handling is definitely better than the EV3. EV3 was decent, really good, really good for the front wheel drive, but yeah, sometimes you have to just acknowledge that you cannot beat the rear wheel drive. So yeah, I don't know. EV3 or this one. Depends on the price, of course. It depends on the range. Oh yeah, on the highway, yeah. This is a quiet car. Yeah, one of the quietest I have driven recently. So yeah, as you can tell, I really like this car. Would I buy it for myself? Probably not, because I'm not the EV type of guy, but never say never.